There's a real issue with housing around Melbourne and Australia. Housing prices are going through the roof, and the average person is really struggling to get into home ownership. My name is Jessica. I'm a marketing manager at Assemble, and at Assemble we're a housing and property development company who provide affordable, well-designed, thoughtfully designed homes within Melbourne suburbs. So our target audience are people that are struggling to get into home ownership because we offer an accessible pathway. So you rent with us for 5 years and then you have the option but not the obligation to move in. So anyone who's struggling at the moment to get on the housing ladder, they can come and chat to me and we have an accessible pathway for them. The implementation of Pardot has been, life-changing. As a marketing manager, it has been an absolute game changer. Before we implemented Pardot, we had no visibility over our leads that were coming into the system, where they were coming from, what they were doing when they came to our website, and it wasn't linking up with our email system. So right now, I can tell you who has opened their email, where they've been on our website, and it gives the sales team some real direction when they're picking up the phone and contacting them. The key attributes that have made my life easier with Pardot is definitely the tracking ability. So seeing what media is working well and where my budget is really resonating with our audiences, which has been great. Embedding all the automated emails have also been amazing because it takes a lot of weight off my shoulders because that can all be set up as an automated process. And then we can also see how people are interacting with those emails. So what content is been really well received, what we need to refine, what messages are too long. So that has been absolutely gold for us. So my experience with Out in the Clouds has been great. I work very closely with Theo for Pardot and he's been very supportive. I'm a little bit technically challenged, so being able to dumb it down a bit for me has been great because it means I understand the process and I can sell it back into the business. They're very supportive with great response times. So, as soon as we raise a case, it's automatically acknowledged and within a couple of hours someone has come back to me, and if they don't know the problem straight away, they will always investigate it and keep me update with how the case is tracking. So yeah, it's been a great partnership.